Hey, how's it going, everybody? Got an interesting case here today. It is a Toro trimmer with several attachments. Customer brought it to me today, and main complaint is it starts and runs. However, the attachments do not spin. I did a quick test to confirm that the cables inside here do spin, so we know it's not the attachments. I felt the end of the cable down here, and that does spin, but ever so slightly, not with a lot of power. So my main thought is that the clutch may be bad. He did have a spare one that he used before, so if it is the clutch, I have the parts readily available, but we're going to tear in and see what's going on. So to get this casing apart, you're going to need T25 and
forks. And we're just gonna start tearing it apart.
These screws are not all the same, so you got to remember where they go. Alright, so we got to the clutch here, and as you can see, it does not look very good. You can see all this buildup here. See if I can get a little better lighting. So this clutch is fried. See the shiny spots and then the dull spots, it is gone. The bell. But on this machine it got so hot, the clutch got so hot, it actually melted the plastic housing here. So hopefully on the other machine this is all the same, and that we can swap it out. We're going to pull the other one apart. So I have the second one apart, his spare one. I can see he's already used pieces off of it. Everything is all loose. This clutch looks a lot better. So I think I'm just going to swap that and swap the whole handle and put it back together, see what happens. So my plan here is just disconnect the throttle cable and the kill switch and just swap over the handles instead of taking all this apart. Do the same thing on this one. So I'm using a 1/2-inch drive here. You can see this, but there's a washer underneath, a washer on top, and then a bolt for the centrifugal clutch. And then we'll get the other one and swap it. All right, now here's the good one. But you do not want these bolts to come out. These washers are special. They are, as you can see them, they're spring loaded. So you gotta make sure you put them on the right direction. The spring ones go on the top. All right, I'm gonna reverse everything, put it back together. And this is what it's supposed to look like inside here. All right. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, put the wires back on. I marked this one just to know that this one came from the black. That one came from the red. Don't think it matters. Throttle cable. All right, switch angles here. And I'll put everything back together. These ones that go plastic to plastic, they're the ones that are more of like a machine style screw. The other ones, see the difference? The other ones go into metal, to the block. Okay, spark plug back on. Air filter back on. All right, so that was the trick. As you can see, this was the problem. The clutch burned out and he melted he melted the whole plastic housing. If you're ever smelling burning while you're weed whacking or trimming or edging, stop immediately. This clutch got way too hot and burned out the housing here. So I'm just gonna try the other attachment, make sure that one works, and then be all done. Thanks for watching.